Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your study abroad experience with J1 visa step by step clearly. To begin your study abroad experience on a J1 visa, research the programs available that suit your academic goals. Identify your area of interest and look for universities or educational institutions that offer relevant courses. Check the eligibility requirements for the J1 visa program, as these can vary based on the specific category. Gather the necessary documents for your visa application, including your Form DS 2019 from your sponsoring organization. Submit your visa application at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. Pay the visa application fee and keep the receipt as proof. Schedule a visa interview appointment, ensuring you have all required documents ready. Prepare for the interview by practicing common questions about your study plans and financial resources. Once approved, pay the SEVIS fee, as this is required for your visa to remain valid. Book your travel arrangements, considering the timing of your program's start date. Upon arrival in the U.S., attend your orientation session to familiarize yourself with the campus and available resources. Connect with fellow students and local communities to enrich your cultural experience. Stay organized with your academic commitments, and create a study schedule that balances coursework and exploration. Keep in touch with your program advisor to address any academic or personal challenges you may encounter. Finally, document your journey through photos and journals, allowing you to reflect on a memorable experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.